Hello guys, welcome to Tech Abro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you delete your Spotify account on 2024. So at first just launch your Spotify app. Now into your Spotify app, at first click the top left your profile icon. Now into your profile icon, click on settings and privacy, the last option. Now from here scroll down and last option here you can see about, click on it. Now from here the last option again, click on support in the right side, click on login. Now from here just search for delete account. Here you can see closing your account and deleting your data, the second option, click on it. Click on close your account and delete your data here. Now scroll down and click on continue to close your account, this one. Now turn this option on and click on again continue to close your account. Now you need to just check your email. Now from here in your email, click on close my account and you will be redirected to Spotify. Here you can see all done. If you log in with this account within 7 days, your account won't be deleted and it will be reactivated. So guys, that's how you can delete your Spotify account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care bro. Thank you so much for watching the video.